Hi friends, today I am introducing a world-renowned Urdu poet. Dr. Kalim Aaziz. Dr. Kalim Aaziz Sahab was an Indian writer of Urdu literature and a famous poet, an academic educator and chairman of Urdu Advisory Committee of the Government of Bihar. He was a recipient of 4th highest Indian civilian honor of Padma Shri from the Government of Bihar in 1989. Dr. Kalim Aaziz was born on 11th October 1926 at Telhara, Nalanda district in Bihar and died on 14 February 2015. He obtained his doctoral degree in 1965. Evolution of Urdu literature in Bihar. His doctoral thesis was Evolution of Urdu literature in Bihar. Has since been published as a book. Aaziz continued his association with Patna University by joining the institution as a member of its Urdu language faculty, and retired as a professor of the department. After retirement, he was appointed as the chairman of Urdu Advisory Committee, Government of Bihar, a post he held till his death. Aaziz began writing poems at the age of 17 and started appearing in Mushairas since 1949. His first book of ghazals was published in 1976 and the book was released at Vigyan Bhavan by the then President of India, Honorable Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. This was followed by several publications such as जब फसलें बहारा आई थी, वो जो शायरी का सबब हुआ, जहाँ खुशबू ही खुशबू थी. His Mushairas has been hosted in many places including Delhi. Dr. Kalim Aaziz has seen the tragedy. In short, we can see that the entire ghazals of Kalim Aaziz Sahab has great depth. They are full of tragic adventure. The poet has passed his entire life in tragedy. The poet has seen the tragedy through his own eyes in 1946 when his dear ones were killed. I'd like to say that Dr. Kalim Aaziz Sahab was the world-renowned Urdu poet and Padma Shri awardee from the Government of India. I kindly request the higher authorities of Patna University and the Government of Bihar. I kindly request the higher authorities of Patna University and Government of Bihar to create a chair in his name and establish Urdu Academy under the name of this world-renowned Urdu poet and Padma Shri awardee, Dr. Kalim Aaziz Sahab. The only way we can pay tribute to that great poet. Thank you.